Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Y'all living good? Y'all okay? Y'all safe out there? I got a haul or whatever for you guys, and I'm super excited about this haul. As you can tell by this title, we are reviewing Jluxlabel Essential Collection. So their Essential Collection dropped on April 22nd. I was able to pick up a few items from their collection, and yes, you know, your girl had to come on here and give y'all the tea, okay? Obviously, we are quarantined right now, so we're not going anywhere. So their essential items are basically supposed to be very comfortable, just kind of like your stay-at-home everyday attire. Even if you're working, you can just throw this on and, you know, be real comfortable but cute, girl, because their stuff is really cute. So if you want to look casual, comfortable, and cute, then this is the haul for you. We're gonna get into a lot of different things: the shipping, the quality, the styles, just like how I feel about the items overall. Before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you like videos like this. Also, if you are new to my channel, hey girl, I do videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, majority fashion. So if you are somebody that loves fashion, then you're at the right place. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, and you're notified each and every time I upload a video. Please, y'all, please click that notification bell, because YouTube been tripping on me and I'll be putting my all into it, okay? I got more great content coming on the way, you guys, so stay tuned. And also follow your girl on Instagram if you want to catch these looks. Read it. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. I had to get a thumbnail, y'all. All right, you guys, so before we actually get into trying on the clothes, I just want to say that the shipping from Jluxlabel was the fastest I've ever seen, period. So I ordered 10 items, no discount code or anything like that. I paid with my own money for these items. My order came up to $427.88. Their shipping was actually free. Shout out to you, Jluxlabel, for the free shipping, okay? Because you know, you don't want to have to pay an extra $7.99 for shipping when you don't order over $400 worth of clothes. So that was clutch. So it came into this bag right here, which is really cute. It says Jluxlabel Los Angeles. So, and all of my 10 items are in here, guys. So here is the first look. I really love this. Your girl is looking like a bottle of orange juice, period. You know, no poke though. Very smooth or whatever, looking real cute. But yes, so this is a bodysuit. You can probably tell here. I've seen this on a model and I thought it was like super cute, but one of the things that just sent me, girl, was the color. I actually got this in a size medium. To me personally, it's a little bit on the smaller side, so I would suggest, like, if you get these bodysuits, definitely size up. As you can see, it's showing the girls or whatever. I don't necessarily mind. I know some people do, so if you don't like that, size up. But honestly, I wouldn't recommend it if you don't like that. They have other bodysuits that are more covering. With the leggings, like, as I step back, you can really see like how thin everything is. It is very stretchy but very thin. So yeah, so just to be honest with you, I do like the whole outfit and it looks really cute. However, it's just a little bit too thin for me. So if we are staying at home, girl, it does serve its purpose, okay? I got these leggings here in a size medium. It's rib material, if you can't tell. The leggings fit perfectly on me, very comfortable. But girl, get into it, okay? So I forgot, I did get this little bag here from Jluxlabel. It's a belt bag, and y'all, they are so in style right now. I love these belt bag styles. I don't know, it's just really cute. I've seen them on a few people and I was like, yes, girl. Dang. Okay, and I don't know, it just really kind of adds a little bit of flavor to your outfit. So here's how the bag looks. I absolutely love this bag. Please don't mind my nails, just like a lot of you. I need a feeling, okay? It has this crocodile print, super gorgeous. I love the color on it. It's very neutral. And then it just kind of has like the gold detailing. It does come with some chains here, so I'm pretty sure you can just wear it as like a regular bag. It needs another hole for me so it can kind of, you know, fit on me. Other than that, this is cute. This is the look. I love this color so much and the style of it that I got a tank crop top and also a little bodycon skirt. So you can definitely mix and match these styles. So if you wanted to wear this crop top with these leggings, you could. Or if you wanted to wear the crop top and the skirt, or, you know, the bodysuit and the skirt, completely up to you. So I think it's like super cute and gives you like endless options. So okay guys, I wanted to show you the skirt and the bodysuit. I think it's like super cute. I really wish that it wasn't like so see-through, But other than that, it's like just a really cute look, maybe like a little vacation look or something. Something where like you on a beach, so you don't really mind your cheeks showing a little bit. Ooh, this is giving me, I don't know, this is giving me Meg Thee Stallion vibes, okay? Period. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Hey, nasty. As you can see, this outfit looks way better than, I'm not gonna say way better because like I said, it just depends on where you're wearing that last outfit to. But I like this because you don't see anything, everything looks very seamless. It's still giving me the color that I need, that I want. Okay, come on, melanin, come on. I got the crop top in a size small, and I also got the skirt in a size small. This has a thick band, which really, look what it do for your girl. It kind of just gives me a little bit of a shape, okay? I would say to stay your size. Like, I could have got away with a size medium and I would have been a little bit more comfortable in it. Like, it is very comfortable and stretchy skirt. But like, as you see, it is a little bit on the thinner side, which I still think is perfect for summer because you don't have to worry about being like too hot or anything like that. But stay your size, girl, okay? And let's, ooh, body yaddy yaddy. Hey, now on the hotline. I got this sage green set. Super cute again, very comfortable, and these are sweatpants. Now I did go down a size on these. I got these in a size small because I remember buying the joggers like these when I first purchased for them, and I got the color in lavender, but they were a little bit big on me, so I decided to go down a size. I also got the top here, but oh, this is gonna be so hard to get on. This bodysuit here, which is in a size medium, comfortable material. It feels so good, like I'm not even lying, and I really truly love this. This was a struggle to get this top on. Like I mentioned, this top has no stretch here in the neck. You need to put this top on before you put your makeup on, but also before you do your hair because it will mess up your hair. The other bodysuits that I purchased from Jluxlabel had stretch to it. This doesn't have much of a stretch, even though it's showing here, not really, doesn't have much of a stretch. But I would say that this is a little bit on the smaller size for it to be a medium. It fits, obviously, and I am able to move my arms a little bit, but I would have preferred just a little bit more room, just a little bit more room. Like I said, you can throw sneakers on with it, you can throw heels on with it, completely up to you, or just some sandals. I'm loving the color anyway. I don't have anything like this, but yeah, sorry you guys, I always stand on my tiptoes. That's just what I do. So the next item that I have here is this cute shirt. I'm just a sucker for basic bodysuits because like you can literally wear them with anything, or you can dress them up, and they're also like really comfortable. And you know I love bodysuits because they make everything look seamless. It has this deep V right here, so it's probably gonna be showing the girls. Baby, this fabric is everything. And I decided to get them with these pants right here. Now these are a little bit more on the heavier side than these. Like, as you can tell, these are very kind of like lightweight, but these have a little bit more thicker material. It has like a nice waistband. It does have some drawstrings right here, and also has like the little cuff leg. Also, these have cuff legs as well, if you can see, and I love that whenever I'm like getting joggers. Like, I just like for them to cuff. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Here's the next outfit. Loving, girl, I'm here for it. Yes, Jluxlabel. It does have a very deep cut here, girl, so you are showing a lot of the goods or whatever. It is a size medium, and I just love this color on my skin as well. I love these two colors against each other. It's a nice contrast. These are some heavy duty joggers. I still got these in a size small because I like my joggers to kind of fit on me, not a little bit, like I want to be comfortable in it, but like I said, if I ever wanted to like kind of dress it up or go outside or whatever, I don't want it to be like, girl, dang, you just rolled out of bed, didn't you? You know, like I kind of want it to look like I'm put together, and this is the style that looks this is the style that looks put together to me. Definitely on some heels, some sandals, or sneakers, however you want to do it. Yes. Yes, this is super cute. Y'all, tell me why I'm about to be struggling trying to learn this Meg Thee Stallion featuring Beyonce Savage remix. Like, what is going on? You made it like hard first with the first Savage, but now you got the Savage remix with Beyonce. I can't. The next look I have is this white little crop top. I think it's like super cute. It does, if you can see, has a cut V here in the middle. This is very basic, but definitely an essential because you can really just throw this with anything. And this one is stretchy, so I can tell I'm not gonna have a problem with this. So I got that to go with these pants. I got these in a size small, and the crop top in a size small. They have these like utility pockets on the side, and this one has two, so I think this is super cute. Again, a thick waistband, so it kind of looks like this. I think these are like the same pants, except for these have like the utility pockets on it. This needs to be, the pants needs to be steamed. However, this is a bomb outfit, like seriously. It's real cute. Like I said, I picked exactly the same items that the model had on. I was like, if she wearing that, I'm getting that too. We're gonna see how it looks together. So it's kind of like a me versus the model type thing. It actually has a little bit of a wire here in the top, so it's very structured right here in the boob area, which is super gorgeous. And I love the fact that it is, I love this top. Like, I really do love this crop top. This is like literally a crop top that I'm gonna wear with everything. They have the utility pockets here, which, you know, you can actually use. They fit wonderful, literally wonderful. Stepping back, bam, bam. Okay, you don't know now. Okay, quarantine, but make it fashion, period. All right, my camera's about to die. So real quick, this is the last item that I got, and they are like these super ultra high waist leggings. Very, very much worth the price. So I'm gonna do the talking once I put it on so you can actually see it. It's giving me brunch vibes, giving me dinner vibes, giving me first date vibes, giving me just date vibes in general, giving me girls night. I mean, it's giving me all types of things. And I can't wait to style these on my Instagram. So again, if you ain't following me at iDESIGN8 on Instagram, go ahead and do it. Like, what you waiting for? Seriously, I'll wait. Ooh, 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 let me see. Ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all, this is it. It is literally comfortable, like seriously. Like, you can, look, high knees in this, high knees. I really don't like bandage items because I kind of feel like it just kind of takes away your shape, in my opinion, especially like if you're on the smaller side. But these does give me a little bit of shape. Oh, baby, ow. It does have a little zipper here in the back. As you can see, it comes all the way down to the ankle, and it looks really, really good with heels on. And it does have like some type of, like, I want to say wire, but it's probably wire here, where it just gives it like that very structured look. These leggings here are giving me Aunt Viv from Fresh Prince, okay? You know that scene when she had to stunt on the hoes real quick? That scene is very important. If you ain't never watched that scene, I'm about to insert it real quick. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. You gotta remember, okay? You always gonna have haters. You always gonna have somebody that don't like you. You always gonna have somebody that think they doing better than you or whatever. And that's why I say, and that's what I mean, stunting on the hoes, okay? Like, you gotta stunt on them hoes one time. You gotta let these hoes know one time. I don't mean it in a disrespectful way, like how people think I mean it. But I just gotta, like, you know, let you know, like, I'm that woman, okay? Don't ever underestimate me, seriously, period, okay? I'm a boss babe and I'm about my stuff. And Aunt Viv, she's stunning on that hoe real quick. Baby girl, don't get it twisted.
Hey,
Design Squad, so that completes this Jluxlabel try-on haul featuring their essentials collection. I hope that you enjoyed it. As always, you know, go ahead and communicate with your girl. Comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite item or your favorite look. How would you wear some of these pieces? Could you wear these pieces going outside, or is it just more so for stay at home? You know, just do all of that in the comments. I love interacting with you guys. And like I stated, I have more content on the way, so please stay tuned, subscribe, like, turn the notification bell on, okay? Yes. So again, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.